Statement 39. Isolation is a gift. There are times in your life where the universe will lead you to a space only meant for you. You will find yourself with only yourself. And at first, it may feel lonely. You may yearn to go back to toxic relationships that you were rescued from. Or feel compelled to rush into new relationships. But give yourself some time. In this isolation, give yourself the attention that you're looking for. Figure out what you like to do. Find what you like about you. What makes you a good friend? What makes you a good lover? What makes you a good person? We get so caught up in the perspectives of society and how we need to perform in them that we don't really know how or who we really are. And it's extremely difficult to cut yourself off from that, especially in this age of hyperconnectivity. When the universe gifts you with isolation, use that time to dig deep into yourself. It will be uncomfortable because you're getting to know someone you probably don't know. It'll be awkward, but don't judge yourself. Simply be and love the person you meet.